Straight Talk is a prepaid service, so canceling simply means ending your plan. To keep your phone number, you need to port it to a new carrier like Verizon or AT&T before canceling. You'll need your Straight Talk account number, PIN, and possibly the last four digits of your SSN or billing address. As of 2025, Straight Talk charges a $10 port-out fee, but it may be waived for military or low-income users. Make sure your service is active and back up all important data before you begin. You can cancel Straight Talk service through three main methods. The first is online via the website or app by going to Manage Account and selecting Cancel Service. The second method is by phone, calling 1-800-430-0449. The third option is in person at Walmart or Best Buy stores. Online or app cancellations are preferred for their speed. Make sure to get a confirmation email after canceling. To avoid common pitfalls, first confirm your port request is initiated with the new carrier to prevent losing your number. Also understand that unused balances are forfeited when you cancel. Be aware of potential fraud alerts, which may delay the number transfer due to the new two-factor authentication process. The porting process should take approximately 24 to 48 hours.